Do you have a boosted 2010 to 2015 SS Camaro? Do you want to add upwards of 150 horsepower, reduce your IATs by over 100 degrees, and clear your engine of carbon buildup? Then you need a water methanol system from Snow Performance. We have combined performance, quality, and easy installation in this new water methanol injection system engineered specifically for all forced induction 2010 to 2015 Gen 5 SS Camaros with the 6.2 liter engines. Water methanol allows you to increase your pump gas octane by 25 points and make more power efficiently with a motor that's running cooler and cleaner than ever. The colder, denser air allows you to safely run more boost and timing while the methanol cleans your engine of carbon buildup. This system comes complete with the custom billet aluminum, water methanol injection throttle body spacer plate, braided stainless lines, 4AN fittings offering unsurpassed reliability, and our 300 PSI ultra high output pump offering more flow than the competition. This stage 2.5 system utilizes our progressive VC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less water methanol according to your boost pressure. The start and full points are user adjustable for the engagement and delivery curve to match what your engine requires. Proportional injection according to boost pressure gives you a more accurate delivery of water methanol and allows cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. The VC50 controller offers the functionality of a boost gauge and water methanol controller all in one. Highlighting a 7-color OLED screen, you can tailor the controller to match your OEM gauges or mix and match up to 2 colors. So, if you're ready to make even bigger power safely, you can visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.